Hi, good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Mylene, 25 years old, and I am from Philippines. I am an undergraduate student of Bachelor of Science in Information System at Makilala Institute of Science and Technology. I have been working here in Philippines for 5 years as a house helper. At the age of 18, I worked in Cebu City as a house helper for 2 years. My main duties are washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cleaning the house. At the age of 20, I work here in Kidapawan City as a house helper too. My main duties are taking care of a 3 years old boy, making his food, making his milk, and take him at school. And after that, I do the household chores. To my future employers, I promise you that I am trustworthy, loyal, honest, and hardworking on my job. And I'll do all my best to help you taking care all your children. And I'll promise you to obey your house rules. And I'm willing to learn new things and everything. I hope you will choose me and hire me. Thank you.